All you have to do is type in a single word in this box here, click on Make right up here, and get paid $30 or so. You can repeat this process again and again to earn as much money as you want to. However, you must set this up properly, otherwise this will simply not work out for you. As such, you'll want to keep watching this video because I will explain everything you need to know. When you reach the end of this tutorial, you want to take action and set this income stream up for yourself so you can earn some nice money online. And with all of that said, let's get into this tutorial, guys. As you have heard in that intro today, I have a quite simple strategy to earn you a lot of money online. Later on, I will show you people who are making a lot of money, but also doing a lot of work. And in this tutorial, I will show you how you can make that much money, but by doing far less work in comparison. With that said, here is the first platform you'll need to go over to. It's called motionden.com. And when you all come onto this website, it won't take you too long before you figure out what this is. As it says on their homepage here, create irresistible videos in a jiffy. This will create videos for you very quickly. And don't worry, I won't tell you to create a video with this platform and then upload it to YouTube or whatever. It's far easier than that. You don't need to be some professional video editor for this to work. You don't need a camera for this, no filming of any sort is required, and you won't be showing your face either. I literally made this so simple for you that you'll need to type in one word into a box and get paid. And you can then repeat the process over and over again to earn as much money as you'd like. Now, what you can create in particular, you can see by clicking on Create here. As you can see, you can create animated videos, animated logo videos, you have birthday slideshows, Blender intros, business and Christmas videos, commercials, Facebook ads, and so much more. You can create so many different kinds of videos with this software, and you can do that thanks to the many templates this site has to offer. So basically, guys, this platform allows you to easily create any kind of video you need. A video that can then make you money online. And we will want to create 2 particular types of videos, ignoring all the rest. And these videos will allow you to earn $30 again and again, just like I promised you in that intro. Before we get to that though, you will first need to sign up to this platform. To do that, you want to click on Get Started right up here. On the next page, you will now be able to sign up via Google, Facebook, or email. As always, I'd recommend doing so via Google or Facebook since it does indeed save you a bit of time. However you choose to sign up though, this is how the website will now look once you log into your new account. You'll now be able to browse and use all of these different templates. And as you will be able to see yourselves, guys, these all look amazingly professional and very well created. It would take someone a lot of time to create a video that looks like some of these. But thanks to this website, you basically have them done for you. And that is what makes MotionDen such a good platform. You can take a look at all of the different types of videos you can generate on the left-hand side here. And even though using literally any of these, you can make some good money online, we will want to focus only on intros and outros. And the reason is because they are by far the easiest to create using MotionDen. And a lot of people need intros and outros done for them, meaning that you can make quite a bit of money creating them. And I will show you where you can find those people as well, so no need to worry. So since we want to focus only on intros and outros, your next step from here is to click on Standard here and then select either intro or outro. What you go for doesn't make that much of a difference because both can end up making you tons of money online. When you select either of those two, you will now obviously only see templates in that same category. And what your next step from here will be is to open up any one of these. Which one you go for will depend on what your customer asks of you. I'll be using this one here as an example. By the way, you can see just how professional this looks. It's really awesome. All you would need to do once you open up a template of your own choosing is click on Edit this video here. What happens from there is you will now be taken to the editor, and it's in the editor where you will actually customize your soon-to-be intro or outro. You can change the music in the intro by clicking on Audio right here. You can change the logo displayed in the intro by clicking on Logo below and then on Change. And you will now be able to upload your own logo, as you can see, which is a fantastic addition, or you can use some of theirs if you so wish. Lastly, once you're satisfied with both the music in the intro and the actual logo, what you now need to do to finish this intro is change the text in the center of the intro. What you would type in this box here, once again, depends on what your customer asks of you. I'll just type in the name of my channel as an example. When you type your word into this box here, guys, all you have to do in order to finish this intro of yours is click on Make Video in the upper right corner. And you now have a done-for-you intro that you can then sell for $30. An intro that took you no more than 2 to 3 minutes to create, which literally takes other people hours. How awesome is that? And so now that you have your intro, the only thing missing is the people who you can sell it to. And now is the time for me to show you a platform where you can easily find those people. The platform in question is called quickengigs.com. For those of you who haven't heard of this site before, it's basically a freelancing platform. Basically the same thing as Fiverr.com, which I reckon most of you have heard about. On here, you can work as a self-employed freelancer, or you can find freelancers to do the work for you. In your case, of course, since you don't need to pay anyone, you will indeed want to work as a freelancer on here, offering your intro and outro creation service. Before you can do that though, as is expected, you will need to sign up to this platform. To do that, just click on the Register button in the upper right corner. You will then proceed to enter in your data so you can create a brand new account. And once you do that, all you would have to do from there is create a gig like some of these people have, offering your services. And as you can see, all of these people are charging like $30 or so for intro or outro creation, meaning that you will be able to do the same. Difference being that you do not have to actually create the intro thanks to Motion Den, allowing you to make just as much money as all of these people, but by investing far, far less work. With that said, guys, I have 2 tips for you that will allow you to make more money online. First off, don't use just quickengigs.com. You can create gigs on multiple freelancing platforms, and that would be far better as you would be reaching more people, and thus you would be able to make more money online. Secondly, don't just focus on intro and outro creation, even though it is by far the easiest way to make money by using Motion Den. You can create animated videos, for example, through the use of the website. Either way, however you choose to use Motion Den, one thing is certain: you will be able to make a lot of money. For those of you looking for more ways to make money online, be sure to check out one or both of the videos that will pop up on your screen in just a moment. And with that said, if you like this video of mine, then do me a favor and smash the like button down below. And if you don't want to miss out on the upcoming videos, then do yourselves a favor and subscribe to my channel with notifications on, because more videos are already on the way. As always, thank you for watching, and see you soon in some of the upcoming videos.